They look majestic. Whether it's summer, monsoon or winter, these colorful eggless rainbow cupcakes are here to brighten up your day. Baked perfectly, soft and spongy.
Let me try. Delicious.
You are watching Simply Vegetarian and I'm Jeeta, so stay tuned and enjoy this video. And if you are new to this channel, please press on the subscribe button, give a like and share this recipe. Thank you. First thing, sugar, 160 grams. I have taken here granulated sugar, and milk, 192 grams. And this is whole milk poured upon the sugar and stirred until the sugar got dissolved. All the ingredients must be at room temperature. Well blended and kept aside. Unsalted butter, 122 grams at room temperature again. Neither too soft and greasy in touch, nor too stiff that cannot be beaten. I beat this with a hand whisk until light and airy with a pale white texture, and this took me around 7 to 8 minutes. Whereas using an electric beater might just take 5 minutes. This looked perfect, doubled in volume. Now adding the rest of the ingredients. This one is sugar and milk mixture which I poured directly upon the butter. The butter at first might seem curdled, but no worries. Adding flour in it and combining will distribute evenly. Vanilla, half a teaspoon, and mixed well. This is all-purpose flour or Maida, total 288 grams. Now sifting is important to keep the cake light and airy, plus to get rid of any unwanted lumps in the batter. A pinch of salt to balance the sugar taste. Also added baking powder, 1 teaspoonful. And I sifted the flour in batches. Gently folded and mixed halfway through. As you can notice, my batter is not in a pouring consistency, it's still thick. So I have one more liquid to add in it. And that's full cream yogurt, 196 grams, in which I added bicarbonate soda, half a teaspoonful. Now this will create magic. Stir briskly with a whisk. The acidity in the yogurt will react with soda. As you can notice the bubbles, and this will help in producing soft and spongy cakes. I found this method in the net. The end result is really wonderful and worth the idea. Then gently folded and combined until entirely lump-free. I fill those paper cases with the help of a tablespoon. Eyeball the measurement. You may use an ice cream scoop if you have. With this amount of batter, you can easily bake 24 to 25 cupcakes. And these to be baked at 170 degree to 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes straight. And they are perfectly baked if the toothpick comes out clean. While the cupcakes cool down, I prepared a simple American style buttercream. Taken 225 grams butter unsalted at room temperature. Beat until light and fluffy, doubled in volume. This took me around 5 to 6 minutes. A pinch of salt to balance the sweet taste of the icing. Time to add the icing sugar as well. I took 420 grams total, and I had already sifted this icing sugar, made it lump-free. Also added them in 2 batches. Scraping in between. Having blended well, poured the second batch. Now at this point, while mixing, as you can notice here, I have kept the blender at the lowest point. The idea is simply mix all to a smooth finish but not overmix, and make the cream too airy with lots of air pockets. If this happens, I'll not get smooth shapes while icing the cupcakes. There will be air holes visible which may not look so attractive. Time to add the liquids, half a teaspoon vanilla. Combine to check the consistency. The buttercream was at the stiffer side, so I added 1 tablespoon of whole milk. Mixed well to check again. My buttercream well blended within 7 to 8 minutes, and this was the consistency I required. This will perfectly hold shape. But if you happen to live in a cold climate, this consistency might still be stiffer for you. So you may add 1 or 2 tablespoons more milk for the desired result. As for the rainbow effect, I divided this buttercream into 6 different colors. For that I used natural food colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. I had to use more than a drop to get that bright rainbow effect. I placed a portion of this cling film on the decks, lined each colors and rolled them up. Wrapped into a cylindrical shape, then one end twisted tightly, cut open the other end and placed into a piping bag with a 1mm nozzle. As the climate here felt nearly 50 degrees outside, plus working with this buttercream had loosened up, so I had to store in the fridge for around 10 minutes to stabilize. Till then I kept the cupcakes ready, filled the middle portion with rainbow colored sprinkles. With the help of this device, apple corer, I made holes in each. This idea was equally helpful from the net. Then the most exciting part, decorate with rainbow swirls. This buttercream icing was well set out of the fridge. Now just enjoy the video. They looked so magical. And for a more gorgeous look, I topped them with some shiny sprinkles. So these were my prettiest rainbow sprinkle cupcakes. The colors are distinct with a contrast of bright, dark and pastel hues. And to some others, I gave different designs, like the ones you can see here. And this one in particular, I tried this frilled pattern with a distinct lining, as you can see here. All look pretty and as bright as a rainbow. So hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed decorating them. Now the tasting.
Let me taste how it has become. It's looking super soft and decadent. Let me try. Delicious.
It's very soft. Show here, and those are the rainbow sprinkles inside.
Perfect.